Good morning, everyone. Today is 26th March 2020 and it's a Thursday morning. Today's lesson, how to introduce yourself. Well, self-introduction, as we understand, can be formal as well as informal. Formal introduction is given to people with whom you have a formal relation. People whom you do not know personally. For example, your teacher, your colleagues, your new neighbor, people at the bank, your grocer, or maybe your interviewer. Now, let us talk about how to begin a formal introduction. It is a more structured way of introducing yourself and therefore choose appropriate words. Start with the most important information, your name. Please tell your full name like this. I am Thorai Sengupta. Next, you should mention the place you come from. However, instead of making it a separate sentence, you can club the two sentences like this. I am Thorai Sengupta from Shithimor in Kolkata. Next, you should talk about your highest educational or academic qualification. Like this. I am a postgraduate in English. Then you talk about your family. But remember, not much. Maybe a line or two. For example, my father works in the bank and my mother is a school teacher. And finally, you talk about your hobby. For example, I love reading. Or you can also say, my hobby is painting, and so on. Please make sure that you are talking about something that you do or you love to do when you are free. That is called a hobby. This is the end of your self-introduction. This structured self-introduction would give you a fair idea about how to talk about your qualifications, your interests, your family, the place you come from, etc. Now your task is to write half a page on this. Prepare all that you want to say when someone asks you to introduce yourself. Then sit in front of the mirror or in front of your parents and practice giving a self-introduction. Isn't it simple? Yes, it is. Now let us end today's class with something very interesting and you will have a lot of fun. It is called a tongue twister. What is a tongue twister? Is it twisting my tongue? It is actually a very nice thing to practice, which will help you to improve your pronunciation. So I will give you a line and I will say it aloud or read it aloud, pronouncing it very clearly. You just have to follow and then repeat. But remember, you should repeat it in a clear and loud voice. So it goes like this. Double bubble gum, bubbles double. We all know what is a bubble gum, right? So the same bubble gum is there in this tongue twister. Double bubble gum, bubbles double. If you see double, bubble, bubble, double, the words have a similar ending. It's BLE. we will not say double or bubble. We will rather say double, bubble. So it should read like this. Double bubble gum, bubbles double. Is it clear? Now repeat, enjoy and have fun. Thank you so much for listening to this class. Thank you.